let me tell you something that I feel a lot of people are feeling right now. Everybody keeps saying that you need to learn AI. AI for work, AI for business, for content, and making money online. But most beginners feel stuck because they don't know where to start, what tool to learn first, or how to apply it in real life. And this is exactly why a platform such as Coursiv is super interesting. Because instead of throwing random AI tools at you and hoping you figure it out, Coursiv gives you the more structured way to actually learning them step by step. It helps beginners learn AI tools and digital skills through guided paths, courses, challenges, and hands-on tool use. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Coursiv to learn AI, walk you through the most important features, and explain exactly why it's useful if you want to build real-life AI skills without being overwhelmed. So let's get started. So first, let's go through the platform and learn what it is. So Coursiv is basically an AI learning platform for beginners and working professionals who want to learn practical AI tools and digital skills in a more structured way. So they help people learn AI for business, marketing, productivity, content creation, affiliate marketing, and they also highlight guided learning paths, a 28-day challenge, certificates, and in-app tools. So this is not just a course like, here's ChatGPT, good luck using it. They actually care about your goals, what you want to learn AI for, and how to start learning AI tools consistently for your business or whatever you need it for. Most people don't fail at learning AI because they're not smart enough, but because everything is scattered around and not organized enough to give them the right lessons. So one thing that is super important is to start with the goal first. Because if you want to start with random AI tools with no direction, it is a waste of time. So we're going to go to Coursiv and see exactly what they offer and how you can start learning AI based on your goals. So you are able to choose your path based on where you want to apply AI. So is it business, marketing, productivity, content creation, affiliate marketing, and you build a personal learning plan from there. So your goals can be making AI images for income, learning affiliate marketing with AI, becoming better at productivity, or you can use AI for business and content. You can start from one single angle instead of going all in at once because you don't want to be busy, you want to actually start learning. So as you can see, you have beginner-friendly courses, step-by-step guides. They're organized both by tool and goal. So if you want to learn by tool, for example, ChatGPT or other AI platforms, or you can go for the outcome like AI affiliate marketing, AI-powered business growth, content creation, image-based income ideas, and more. So some people may say, I want to learn ChatGPT first, or I want to learn Claude first. Or other people may say, I want to learn how to make money with AI. And Coursiv supports both of them. So if you have a certain goal, I would go with that because it is a lot more motivating knowing that you're going to be using AI to fulfill that goal. Now, another really useful tool for beginners that Coursiv has are the challenges. This is one of the smartest parts of the platform because with challenges, you don't need more information necessarily, you need more structure. So Coursiv has challenge-based learning, including a 28-day challenge format where the idea is to help you focus on one learning path over a set period of time with daily progress and momentum. So it is a way to make AI learning easier, less overwhelming, and more consistent. So this turns learning into something that you can actually follow step by step. So you can either watch 50 YouTube videos and forget everything, or you can show up today, learn one thing, take notes, really implement it, and then move on to the next while you remain with the information that you learned. For beginners, this is everything, especially if you're overwhelmed with everything that AI brings. Another really cool thing about Coursiv is that it is not only teaching you how to use AI, but it lets you use AI tools inside the app. So users can access AI tools directly in the platform and the Google Play listing, specifically powerful AI tools combined with hands-on learning. So this makes sure that learning AI is not just theory, but application also. So people all the time can watch content about AI, but they don't use it enough. So the app gives you the tools to test things directly and also gives you pre-made prompt windows to get results faster. And that lowers the friction a lot, especially for beginners. Because one of the blogs that people might have is, what am I even supposed to type? How do I test this tool? How do I use it? So Coursiv gives you all of that inside their app. Now let's talk about certificates, because this is for people that want something more tangible from learning. After completing a course on Coursiv or a certificate-oriented learning path, you can earn a certificate that shows your progress in AI skills, and these are shareable certificates that can help showcase structured learning and progress. If you're learning AI for your resume, your portfolio, your LinkedIn, clients, or just personal credibility, it helps you have proof that you completed something structured. And this also helps learning feel more goal-oriented. So it gives you a challenge, it gives you something to finish, to get a certificate. It is not just endless lesson after lesson. And if you want to attach that certificate to your resume, to your LinkedIn profile, this makes a lot of sense. Another small feature, but that matters a lot, is streaks. So Coursiv includes progress tracking and streak-style motivation to help people keep showing up consistently. This emphasizes short daily lessons, habit building, and making AI learning part of a routine. So when learning AI, consistency matters a lot more than intensity, because you do not need one giant 6-hour learning day, but instead you need 15-20 minutes, a little practice every day, and to build momentum without giving up. And this is why streaks are useful, because most people keep coming back and learning more. So if I were using Coursiv from scratch, this is exactly what I would do. First things first, I would choose one goal. AI for content creation, for productivity, or for affiliate marketing, for example. Then I would go through the recommended learning path instead of just jumping around. After that, I would use the built-in AI tools and prompt windows to actually practice what I'm learning. Then I would join one of the challenges so I can stay focused and consistent. And finally, I would work toward the certificate so the learning feels complete and useful. So this is just a much smarter process rather than just opening random AI tools and forgetting everything you learn every time. So Coursiv makes perfect sense for people that are beginners and they're overwhelmed with AI, for professionals that want more structured learning, for creators that need practical tools, entrepreneurs trying to learn how to use AI for business and making more money, and people that want to learn AI from a lot more than just watching random videos online. Because the platform is built around guided progress, practical use, and staying consistent, not just collecting information. So if you've been trying to learn AI tools for a while and kept getting distracted, Coursiv is the right platform for you. So make sure to check out Coursiv at the link below so you can start learning AI in a way that actually feels organized. And let me know down in the comments, what tool would you learn, or what would you want to learn AI for first? Is it content, productivity, business, or affiliate marketing? Let me know down in the comments. As always, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!